Hello, welcome everybody. So in this video, we will discuss about how to download the Quick Hill Total Security Antivirus, how to install it and activate the Quick Hill Antivirus. Okay. So for that, you can go to the specific Quick Hill website and just go to the this tab download. Let me show you Quick Hill uh, Total Security. You can buy it from here or you can download. For download, you can go here, Quick Hill. You can just enter the product key if you have a product key. Otherwise, you can go to the product list. Uh, as I haven't purchased, I have to explore the free trial. So that's why I have visited the free 1 month trial. So here you can go to download hyphen free antivirus. Okay, okay, and once you click that, you will able to see that setup is ready to download. Okay, so exe I already downloaded. Okay, now let me try to install it. Okay, so click on run as an administrator. Okay, it will extracting the file installation. After that, it will ask for the wizard. Okay, so let's agree. Let's start the agreement. Downloading in progress. So meanwhile, I am pausing the video. Okay, so it's in progress for downloading. So free tier you can explore from here. Meanwhile, I am showing you. It's downloading. There is a free trial option. Yeah, free trial. Okay, so now next important part. So where you want to install. So if if you want to change the path, then you can also browse this and go to that specific path as well as. Okay, so D drive, E drive like that. So here I'm fine with the C drive. So so now after installing, it will ask for the product key. So if you have a product key, then just click on the I have a product key and just enter that product key. As I am using for the trial, so I'm clicking on the continue to free trial. Okay, so connecting for the registration. So it will ask for the email address. Okay, so I will provide the email address. Okay, and contact number. Okay, so I will pause the video as I have to check my personal email address. Okay, after validating the OTP, the code, it will ask for the registration name. So we will mention, yeah, double and Turbe. Click on next. Oh, okay. Next. It will ask for the security password. So this password is password protection for your keep your settings safe from the unauthorized access, protecting your preference and allowing the uses. So I will enter my password. Okay. 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 Activation in progress. Now launch the quick help. Okay. Now it will when you click on the action, it will ask for the browser extension. If you wanted to in enable it, you can enable it. For example, for Mozilla Firefox, it will ask like this: enable the extension. So it will add the extension here. Okay. Now let's now let's you can see the summary dashboard, security score, privacy score, protection. So you can check which protection you want to enable it: browser protection, external drive protection, email protection, Wi-Fi, internet. safe banking. Okay, this is the different feature. You can refer my previous video, which was for dedicated to for the quick heal features. Okay, now about the privacy, you can check, manage backup, data backup, restore backup, everything, smart parenting as well as it's included, Wi-Fi scanner, file vault, external drive, data, advanced privacy. If you want to select dedicated permanently from the device, registry, restore, screen lock protection, and even spy alert as well as. So here we can see the tracker we have enabled, right? So yes, so it will be visible like this, and here we can see. Okay, so here we can see that advertise has been blocked, and performance do not disturb. If you want, if you are playing the game or doing some video recorded, then you can use this feature. Okay, and game booster, performance booster, you can clean up this activity, registry cleanup, tracer, defragmentation, you can do this. Meta protect, this is the additional feature you required, and click on more. It will provide the license details, settings, update, and import export. The setting, advanced setting is also there. Create the emergency this internet setting. If you are using the proxy device to provide the internet, then you can assign the proxy as well as if you facing any issue or you require any support, you can go with the live chat, self-service as well as call and register ticket as well as. Okay, and submit the device information if you want to. You can also do that one as well as. And this is a documentation you can refer for the support. So in this video, we will cover only these things only. Uh, the reporting part is here, but for the detailed feature explanation, you can refer my previous video. Thanks for watching this video.